just replaced my battery, and along with resetting my trip odometer, I obviously lost my radio stations, my memory settings, which you cannot see right now, and my window automatic function. So this car, as you can see over here, it's got A's on these switches. That means your windows are supposed to be auto up and auto down. Auto means one touch. So for your switches, I'll show you an example with this switch over here. You've got two indentations on the way up and two indentations on the way down. And the way they're supposed to work is this. The switch, let's focus on the switch. 1, this is you controlling the height you want it to go. 2, and just release, that goes to max. 1, down. 2. You can hear the window operating, right? That's the rear one. So after disconnecting your battery, this is what happens. Let's look at the front window over here. Okay, so we're gonna push this down like this, just the first indentation. Okay, so 1. You notice when I release it, the window stops moving, right? And we're just gonna raise it again. All right, so second stage, push down, 1, and release. The window goes all the way down. All right, I'll do it one more time just to make sure that it's very clear. All right, so 1, 1, 2. The window rolls down by itself. It's supposed to do the same thing on the way up. So 1, this raises it manually. But when I do 1, 2, nothing happens. The window just stops. Alright, so this is what happens. This is how you're supposed to reset it, so that it does the same thing on the way up and on the way down. I usually start at the bottom. So the way I like to start this is 1 touch down. Then on the way up, I go to the first stage. When the window's all the way at the top, I hold it to the second stage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I let go. 1 touch down. It's gonna work. How about up now? There you go. It works. Let's try. Back in the day, they used to say that you're not supposed to, well, they, including me, because most of my prior Nissan vehicles were a little sensitive to this. When you rolled it down, this is the other window over there. When you rolled it down, you had to, well, you could do the 1 touch down, like, let's actually do it from here. 1 touch down. You can tell 1 touch up does not work, right? Alright, so down. Then when you go up, this time, instead of holding it in the first stage, I'll hold it like I'm trying to make 1 touch up work. So 1, 2. I've pulled it up as high as I can. Then hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let go. 1 touch down. 1 touch up. It works. So obviously this car here does not seem to care whether you pull it up in with the first stage or the second stage, whether you pull it up in 1 touch down mode or 1 touch up mode, right? Makes sense? And you don't have to set the respective windows at the door. You can do it remotely, like this one here for the rear door. Can't really reach it, so let's do a reset on this one as well. I'll do the other one as well, just kind of control both of them at the same time. So here's another thing, here's a catch. If you try to roll this all the way up, then pause, then do the pull up, it might not work. Let's try to do this. So just pull it up all the way up, release, then try to do the setting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let go. One touch down. It works. How about one touch up? I'm gonna reach with this hand so I can, let go once I'm done. One touch up is gonna be. You notice that? It doesn't seem to accept it. It seems to be very sensitive to the timing with which you raise it, then attempt to hold it up to set it. So let's do this. We're gonna drop both of these windows just to make sure they're both down. They're both down. I'm gonna raise both of them and then hold once I get to the top. So, and just keep holding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let go. So they should both go down. I can hear both of them go down. Try this one here. Try this one here. And it works. As I said, it seems like the biggest thing, it's not so much how you pulled it, whether it was 1 or 2. It's just more sensitive to, did you raise it, then wait for 5 minutes, then try to reset it? Because that's not going to work with these Infinities. So that should be it. Good luck, and I hope that this video helps you.